welcome back to another Foodie Friday video. So today we're doing KitKat Thins in chocolate hazelnut. I don't know if they make like a regular KitKat flavored version of the Thins. I don't know if they do other flavors of the Thins. These are the only ones I have seen so far. They, on the surface level, look the same size as little KitKat minis, but then sideways, look how thin that is. I'm shook. I'm shook. So let us open one and try it out and see how it is. Immediately smells the same, but you can see like it's even portioned into like 2 halves if you want to do it that way. Oh wow. It's like so much softer. Dude, that straight up feels like, that just tastes like Nutella. Oh my god. All the dopamine just fired in my brain. Wow. Okay. Oh, these are gonna be purchased more than once, I can tell. Oh my god. That is really good. So a serving size is 5 pieces, and they claim there's about 7 servings per container. And calories per serving is 150 calories, so what is 150 divided by 5? I have no idea. I can't do math. So anyway, not terribly many if you just have a small number. But saturated high, fat's a little high, and sugar obviously is high, but other than those things, doesn't look too terrible. But oh my god, that is good. Those are like life-changingly good. Oh my god. I'm gonna tell you what, if you love Nutella, you're gonna love these. It's like Nutella in a candy bar. Someone did the thing. My god. Is there a higher than 5 out of 5? Because I need to give it a higher than 5 out of 5. Whatever that would be. It's out of this universe good. Like, holy crap. That is amazing. It's been a while since I've had something that good. Oh my god. It's so decadent and indulgent. Just, oh my god. Yet at the same time, the thinness and the airiness of it being a thin little tiny wafer makes it feel like not too much and not too rich all at once. So, not like if you just had a jar of Nutella and got a big old glob on a spoon and ate it. I am that person. But, not even gonna try and pretend like I'm not. But this is that without it being too rich. And probably with a fraction of the calories of doing it that way. So, these are really good. Oh my god. And the fact that it's KitKat and I love KitKat, I'm like, oh my god. Yeah, you can see why when I saw those, I was like, oh, you're coming home with me. So, anyway. I don't know what else there is to say about them other than they're really freaking good and you should try them. So, anyways. That is it for this one. Just a little quickie. So, anyways, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my eBay, my Reddits, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link as always is down in the description. Anyway guys, till next time, see ya.